Burton gang. We in the building. We in the building. We in the building. Gang. Gang. Gang, 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 gang. When I say Burton, y'all say gang. Burton.
Gang.
Burton.
Gang.
We in the building. We never going down. Time to way back to the crime.
Hey y'all, welcome back. It's Burton Gang. We in the building. When I turned it on, I had dropped boxes. But yes, I'm unboxing pinchme boxes. If y'all don't know about pinchme, it's a website that sends you all type of samples. All type of samples. I'm getting a little black here, as you see, because we've been in that sun. Y'all know we got to form and stuff, and we got to get in that sun. But yeah, we got to get in that sun, so I'm getting black color. But don't worry, when the cold hits, oh, she getting her color back. Okay, look at all these pinchme boxes, guys. Yeah. Okay, so pinchme recently updated a while back where you can use some of your points to purchase stuff too. So this is one of the boxes that we did purchase something. My bad, I don't got my nails done. I just took my nails off, but I'm gonna color them again. So we had got, I don't know why I picked this, but I was like, what the hell, might as well use the points for something. So this, it's like a manicure set. Like, you know when you go to the nail shop and before you walk out and they put this on your crusty toes. You know, some people probably got crusty feet, so anyway. But look, a clip, a little brush, these are little shoes and stuff like that. It's pretty nice. Nice little set. And it also, with every box, I noticed that it comes with this $100 wine voucher. $100 wine voucher. And this is just saying, just to download a game and play. Nobody care about that. And it comes with HelloFresh. Get 17 free meals. It comes with another voucher. Okay, so that's this one. I love pinchme. For those of y'all that want to sign up for pinchme, below I'm gonna have our pinchme code so y'all can sign up. By the way, it is free. You basically gotta sign up, let them know if you're a female or male, if you got kids, not kids, or whatever. Okay, so this is another pinchme box. Well, let me just cover off my address. Right there. CSA pinchme. But anyway, alright. They be sending some good stuff though. Now this one came today. Let me take it out. These boxes get going to trash. Okay, so now this is so exciting. This is like daily moisturize for dry skin, like to help your skin and stuff. Look, guys. That's a nice little sample though. Look, that big. See? And then, like I said, this also came with another $100 voucher of wine. And the vouchers only last for 30 days. So if you got old vouchers, you can't use them. Because they tell you on there. And then another HelloFresh. That only lasts for 30 days as well. Yeah, 30 days. And this game again. And they also gave us some treats for our cats. She gonna love it. This is a cat treat. Yeah, she gonna love it. That came in that. Okay. Let's get another one. Now this also pinchme. Yes, pinchme. Y'all need to put your girl on a commercial or something. Shoot, I can advertise y'all. Oh, and it's not no paid thingy. They didn't pay me to do this. Oh, now this one came with some good stuff, guys. Oh, Head and Shoulders. Look, this one is some good stuff came in this one. But every month you have, when you go on Pinch Me, they're gonna say like maybe every month, like on the 5th or next month it'll be there on the 6th when they release it. You got to get on there and claim y'all free samples, because if you don't, and if you do it late, they're gonna run all out. It's another Head and Shoulders. Cool. Head and Shoulders is what you wash your hair with. Those of y'all that know about Head and Shoulders. Oh, we know about Head and Shoulders. We grew up on Head and Shoulders. Shit, this was always what they'll wash our hair with. Okay. And then it also came with a coupon. $3 off coupon for Head and Shoulders. This coupon probably expired already, but sometimes they'll still take it. And it also came with some eye drops. This is just a card to tell you about the eye drops and stuff. If you got like dry eyes. Unfortunately, we don't have dry eyes, so I'm not really going to use this. Might give it away, who knows. It's for dry eyes. Now, it's a little sample thingy. So it's not a whole bottle. It comes in this. Y'all, hit up Pinch Me, guys. Hit up Pinch Me. Oh, and by the way, it's totally free. No credit card, no nothing. Totally free. Okay, that was what's in that box. Another Pinch Me box. Let me put this down. Now this one was a good one. Oh, I was so excited when I was claiming the stuff. I was like, oh, let's try this. So this is Glade. It says garbage bags, and it's peppermint scented, y'all. Oh my God, if y'all can smell this right now. It smells good. I totally recommend this, so that way y'all won't have funky trash cans. Nobody want no funky trash can. Nobody want no funky trash can. Oh, let me show you this. Now this is Hallmark. A video and greeting card. Let's open this up. Don't need this no more. Okay. Comes with its envelope. And, oh wow. Oh, this is so sweet. Another year. Better. Another year. You. Aww. Okay, guys. They came with a card. It's the front of it. And then I haven't used it yet. I gotta peel this off and scan the code and like upload our picture and stuff. I haven't did that yet, but I'm definitely gonna do it. Y'all know me. I love showing y'all me and y'all big bro, cause you know we look, he handsome and I'm sexy. I get it from my mama. Bam. And this come with instructions on how to do it. I haven't done it yet, so I'm definitely gonna do this. I ain't sending it to nobody. I'm definitely gonna use this myself. Shoot. Gotta put all the sticks in this on photo. Oh, and they came with a save 3% off a greeting card. Callie, leave the cards alone. She's so bad. Okay, another Pinch Me. That part got my address on there. Let me block that off. Okay, this came with... This box was kind of a bummer. Wasn't really much came with it. Okay, Bio True. This is... I think this eye drops too. This for dry eyes though. For irritation as well. And this is the card that tells you about it. Bio True. Then another HelloFresh. Okay. Look, guys, another pinchme. Another Bio-True. Another one. So we got 2 of them. Okay. Now another pinchme. All right. So this one came with another game card, another 17 free meals from HelloFresh, and also I missed. This is what came in the Glade pack. I forgot to show y'all the card for the Glade. Okay. So this is like perfume. Yeah, it's a little perfume sample. Smell good. Okay. And it, okay, I showed y'all that. Okay, and it also come with, I don't know what this is yet. I still gotta read up on it. Calming gel cream. A calming gel cream? Definitely gotta read up on that. But anyway, it's a nice little tube. Okay, last box. Now this one is kind of fat because we've been getting pinchme boxes for over 2 years now. And I threw away those boxes, but I still got some of the samples. So now this probably came from maybe 5 or 10 boxes. Okay, this is jet dry. You wash dishes. It's pretty cool. Nice little sample. It's a lot in here too. Look. Whoa. Okay. So this is like some Dark and Lovely hair rooting. And some more Dark and Lovely shampoo and conditioner. Some more. It's just from different people. Some more conditioner from different companies. Oh, and some more shampoo, conditioner, the whole 9 yards. Another one on Dark and Lovely. Got 2 sets of these. I gotta take these out because I don't know if some of them waste or what, but I smell it. And this is like a powdered beets. Oh, beets. A little sample of that. You put it in your drink. Not showing that. And this. Okay. Get some more stuff. But anyway, pinchme got so much stuff, and they also had Meeple men cream. Some men cream. Body, face, and hands. I don't know why they sent us this, but it's like a sweetener, like sugar or something. I don't know why they sent us this, because we get plenty of vitamin C from outside, so I might not even drink this. Coconut, and I don't like coconut, but I love pineapple, but nah, don't like that. Okay, so that's it. Oh, wait a minute, one more thing. Another, look up the address. Another pinch me. Okay. So now this one was a nice one. They sent like, I actually used some of our points. They sent like 3 different like nail strips. I forgot what they call these, but I'm gonna call them nail strips, because I gotta show y'all the haul. You know, y'all big bro bought me some like buku nail polish, so I don't even use strips, but I might try them on. Then they got this kind, so I think they nail strips. I'm not sure because I don't use them, but I tried. Came with 3 different ones. Some Dumb Game again. And another HelloFresh 17 meal set. Yes, guys. Okay. So that's going to wrap up this video. This is Burton Gang. And we out. We out.
Burton Gang. We in the building. We in the building. We in the building. Gang. Gang. Gang, 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 gang. When I say Burton, y'all say gang. Burton.
Gang.
Burton.
Gang.
We in the building. We never going down. Time to way back to the crime.